I founded the company 6 years ago. I was told that couldn't be done. I was told that I couldn't get anything to treat Alzheimer's. I was told that I'd never get an application into the FDA. I've been told lots of things I could never do. I'm living proof that it's possible to bring something public, to start it from scratch. My friends helped me get it done. And all those people have been rewarded with hopefully creation of value to help people. And I decided to come back to Wall Street. I didn't want to come back without doing something that I thought would help humanity. The Nasdaq is a wonderful organization. My mom was there, which was wonderful. A lot of friends, a lot of sponsors, a lot of people that believed in us. It was truly a magical weekend.
The Nasdaq opening bell will begin shortly.
Very clear. It's very near and dear to my heart. My grandparents died from Alzheimer's. My wife and I cared for my mother-in-law until she succumbed to it. My dad has it, unfortunately, could not be here with us today because Alzheimer's has robbed him of everything but his ability to breathe. It's very disheartening that many people were not going to be able to save my dad. However, I'm happy with the progress that Alzamend is making. The benefits to the two therapies will hopefully bring members of the family, as well as 38 million Americans, 300 million people globally. I want to thank the Nasdaq for doing this. This is something we set out to do from the very beginning, is to be here on this exchange. Today, with this opportunity to have the IPO to allow us to ring the opening bell, I'd like to thank my mom, who believed in me as a teenage mom to dream big. My wife and my kids to support me. Alzheimer's first investor, Stephen Jackman. Alzheimer's board of directors, led by their chairman, Will Horne. Alzheimer's management team, led by Stephan Jackman. Our investors, Dr. Chow, Dr. Scheidel, the University of South Florida, the Scientific Advisory Board, Dr. McDade, Dr. Wozniacki, the CRR team led by Art Spalding, our outside counsel, very important, from Ocean from Walensky, I never say that right, led by Spencer Feldman, and last but not certainly least, the underwriters at Spartan Securities, who worked with us for quite some time. Thank you all.
We are humbled, honored, and happy to be a part of the Nasdaq family. Alzamend Neuro is a preclinical stage biotech company in which many have invested. Investors who were sick and tired of seeing their loved ones perish from Alzheimer's disease. Sick and tired of seeing sufferers waiting for a slot in a clinical trials to become available. And sick and tired of victims of this dreadful disease not having enough treatment options. Well, today, we are proud to say that we may have options. Options for our families and yours. The first is a patented ionic co-crystal technology delivering a therapeutic combination of lithium, proline, and salicylate, known as ALZN. Simply put, this lithium therapeutic has the potential to replace the current lithium therapeutics on the market and can bring aid to the 38+ million Americans suffering not only from Alzheimer's disease, but bipolar disorder, depression, and post-traumatic stress disorder. Globally, that patient population extends well over 300 million people. And that's not all. We have a second option, a patented immunotherapeutic vaccine that seeks to restore the ability of a patient's immune system to combat Alzheimer's, known as ALZN. Our recently consummated IPO is an important milestone we've achieved for our stockholders, associates, strategic partners, and for all who continue to suffer from the debilitating effects of Alzheimer's, bipolar disorder, depression, and post-traumatic stress disorder. We recently submitted our IND application for ALZN, utilizing funding from the IPO, and are on the precipice of commencing human clinical trials. This all started with one man's bravery, tenacity, and unrelenting drive to create a company dedicated to developing treatments for diseases that plagued his family. Todd, thank you very much for not giving up, and thank you for allowing us to join the fight, not only for your family, but our families, the rest of the United States, and the rest of the world. Thank you.